I chat, we have like Vybz KarteL returning home, you know, to Jamaica after Hurricane Melissa. Like, I see people that cuss out the dog, yo, and we have a show in Canada, and all of them foolish and stuff, but, bro, you're not understand, so, man, I say, like, bro, especially, like, the man even have to help, dog, like, the man don't have to help, bro, so, it's really a blessing to even sit if them people here help, dog, like, you know what I'm saying, like, big up the Vibes Cartel, obviously, and them thing that, but, hold on, camera, photos, yeah, for camera, good chat, but, yeah, like, yeah, my sister is like, me don't know, me feel like people kind of do too much of the situation. But yo, see, dog fall back after him, little in concert and thing, and yeah, I'm saying LV, hey, shit, bro, do your thing, nigga. You got money, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Bro, leave me alone, dog, bro.
Right,
That's
the
got
crazy.
to bro.
Trust
It's
me,
about
I
bro.
one time alone, me laugh, and it was a real joyous laugh. And one of the girls said, "Cartel," and it brought a joy. But
Yeah,
I tell you, what them been through, hard wrenching. Trust me, I tell you.
crazy, bro. Listen, make them
Vybz
about saying,
KarteL.
it's crazy. Like, that's why
Where
I
are we at?
stop posting and stuff, bro. Like, bro, saying to me come from, bro. Couldn't post on a rooftop, bro. Chacho, bro, church, a rooftop will blow it, but, you know, rooftop and thing blow it, dog. So, like, other people around me, but, you know, they are still like a comeback, dog. Okay, go on back where dog, up on the ground, is
Mobile Convention Center today. Why is Adija Farmer Foundation here today?
Oh yeah,
I
because
need
we're
to
dealing with
power my
the Hurricane
foundation, or
Melissa
my
Relief
foundation,
Program through the Adija Palmer Foundation, giving back to the affected people and communities as much as we can.
Chat. Wanna know how we can make like a foundation in Africa? Like how we go about this? Like
That's all
I'm gonna
right.
get rich and thing like to make like a
Having
little
toured sections
my
of the
little one
parish today.
foundation.
St. James, you were in Hanover.
Hanover, yeah.
Damn, she has
What
that.
today? St. James,
Alright.
you were in Hanover.
Damn,
Hanover, yeah.
who is that?
What,
Got to ask.
what
My bad, Chan, my bad. Like it's a serious situation, like
energy it brought for you?
bad,
What
bro.
did it pull?
I mean, it just brought the energy of sadness, man, because especially when we went to the children's home.
Well, I don't know me too chat
Trust me,
now.
that
You
was a
know
sad
too
occasion
like
for me,
serious,
heart
like not
wrenching,
kinda laugh
to
out
say the
thing, but it's
least.
like
I mean, the
serious,
roof
bro.
was
Like
gone.
so we
I mean, the
stable, like
kids
we're
were
laughing like
basically
a serious situation.
rammed into one room, a room for like 20 kids now, or like 40, 50 kids. So, I mean, that was very
Mm.
touching for me. And just the sight, just driving to and from the site and seeing the devastation. Crazy, crazy out here.
Crazy, bro. Yeah, crazy.
What is
Black
from the
River, bro.
onset?
Black
What is
River
Adija
blow up
Farmer
in a
Foundation ready
water
to
thing.
do to
Yo,
help
at
the
least
West
they
African
can like
community?
turn Black River and like one city person like bro whole of Black River blow it, bro. I gotta call homies from Black River, bro. Like splat them shit cool, bro.
All right, initially, what we're doing now, we just did, like we said, emergency activities. All right, we get people care packages, we get them food, medication, vitamins to the kids. I mean, sanitary
Yeah.
items to the ladies, pampers for the elderly as well and for the kids. And we have a feeding program. We'll feed
Damn.
3,000,
That's a
I
lot of
think
chicken.
3,400 people. And
Big chicken,
you know,
bread.
we partner with World
Bread.
Kitchen. We have the helicopter going to some place, drop our food to some inaccessible places. You know what I mean? But in the long run, what the foundation really want to do is definitely focus on kids.
Speaking about the adoption, I heard that you guys plan to adopt the children.
Exactly, not just one. So we plan to do a basic school. We plan to do that children's home. We can't avoid that
Wow.
specific children's home because the kids
Yeah,
are disabled physically and mentally, and in some cases both. So you don't know, they
all the
need
children's home this
extra help, extra
but
attention,
me don't know
extra
about like me
resources.
not from Hanover, so
Basic
me don't know
school
about them thing
and
here still, but
something else in the future. But like we said, is that we in the long run. We're
bro,
not in it
shout,
for
bro, shout out
just
to
the
all
quick.
of the like Jamaicans are them out there, like I do them thing, like the man them will make it out, bro. Like man say Young Dan, shout out to Young Dan, bro. He's like all them I do for him like a thing, bro. It's like everybody I do them like a part, bro.
Which also
Be like
will be
my
at
end of year,
least a decade long
like
endeavor.
regular,
And it will need
like
unity from all sections of society, not just entertainer, but everybody. But the
facts,
foundation, our
bro.
commitment right now as it stands, for the kids, for the elders.
All right, you touched on the dancehall and what persons are giving back. How do you feel as the king of the dancehall to see others helping in any which way they can?
Oh, it's a joy. It's a joy. Even when we were at Canada the other day, and I show me and Spice, and we're telling the people that anything you can give, whether it's cash, whether it's kind, whether it's service, could even a word of prayer. And you know, people, especially in Jamaica, look up to artists. Entertainment is a big part of Jamaica.
Yeah, bro.
So you know, people love artists and love athletes. So to see the artists them giving back selflessly is a joy. And it even inspires me too. You know what I mean? So yeah, big up the whole music industry, everybody.
Yeah, facts. Big up to
Inspire
all of
people.
the music
Everybody
industry,
will work
man.
in front of the scene
Big
and
up
beyond
for
the scene
that.
as well. And everybody
Man, big up, man. Talk
like
about
push up.
everything, bro. Like, I
So
see enough
big
all
up the
spice
whole
come back
industry.
and stuff.
One of the things I
From
was
me,
looking at while we were at the children's home is your raw emotion. Can you take us through what you were feeling when you saw those kids, their reaction towards you coming to visit?
excitement.
Yeah. Man, sad, trust me. Very sad, man. Very
Man.
sad.
But like, yeah,
Tears,
it's sad. Like,
trust me.
obviously, we're gonna
One
talk
time
about that
alone,
side
I
of some
laughed.
of the kids.
And it was a real joyous laugh when one of the girls said, "Cartel," and you know,
God.
brought a joy. But I tell you, what them been through, hard wrenching, trust me, I tell you. So
That's why I'm
on
grateful.
the spot, we took the initiative like
Well,
TJ.
grateful, bro.
This is the
Still,
first
good hours, bro.
project
Never have a day I come back and make video that.
long term under the
So definitely it's not a one-off thing.
No,
You
no.
come and you leave.
Yeah, I feel
No,
like
no,
come
no.
back
This is what we're doing now.
move forward,
Even though we're
bro.
doing it through the foundation. This is us, me and TJ said, we'll come to Jamaica. We're going to give it. But the foundation itself, yeah, man, it's a long term. It was actually registered in February. So it's not even like it was registered for this specific catastrophe. So, you know, it does come at the right time or wrong time, depending on how you look at it. But you know, Jamaica people, one thing, we have a resilience, we're unmatched. That's why we say little about talent. You know what I mean? And we are here that we are youth and it builds. So big up to the people them for them tenacity and them courage. And I know at the time for which are for the most unity. Unity like we never seen before.
Mrs. Williams, we just heard Adisha Palmer through his foundation commit to adopting this West Haven Children's Home. How do you feel about it?
I'm feeling excited. Very, very excited about it.
Big up Granny, man. Big up Granny, bro.
Lots in the past several days. Take us through the recovery. How are you guys coming back?
Well, tell you the truth, you know, we are trying our best to be as comfortable as we can, because you know these children that we have, especially those artistic children, they are not easily deal with excitement. They don't deal with excitement. They don't deal with excitement very well. So we have to try to be very calm, and so that they can.
Yeah, cause like them, you know, some of them like mentally and stuff.
It is
a government or private?
Private, not in the sense that they charge to keep the children here, but they are private, they're not government, but the children are all government children. Yeah, because they have to go through the water of the state. They're all water of the state.
And then they send them here.
Right.
Okay. Roughly how many children are here?
19.
19.
Yes, 19.
Is the facility sufficient?
I thought they did 18.
We can hold more than 19.
What are your greatest needs right now?
So they talking about the rooms or they talking about the bro? This is kind of low. I can't see.
Hampers, water, food, right now for the hurricane.
I overheard you saying
food, like baked chicken,
a lot of the clothes spoiled because
some
they're
baked
all
chicken
wet
wasn't good.
and some of them spoiled. So we need clothes.
A pledge like that from a man who traveled across the world to get here because he doesn't live here anymore. Do you have a message for Vybz KarteL about his commitment to sponsor to adopt the children's home?
Let me say thanks to him in advance, right?
In advance, man, you do it.
I think that's
Ain't gonna lie.
That is a very, very, very great, great idea, and we really appreciate it.
Lastly, what do you think about this visit here today? I know the kids.
Well, as you can see, some of them were jumping. I didn't even know that they know him. I didn't know. Must have been when I saw that girl was jumping, and I said to him, "Who is that?" And he said, "Vybz KarteL." I was shocked. But they watch TV a lot, so they
I
learn
mean,
a
yeah,
lot
he
from
be on
it.
TV. You see
And
that,
that is what we're
like,
going to need too, because all the TVs in the cottages um, destroyed.
Roughly home.
We have a
I
TV
feel like
in
if
each
anybody
cottages,
them would have know a
and
cartel, bro.
the school
Like,
out here.
it's cartel, man. Like,
Because some of the children are
this
not
nigga
able
been
to
here
write
since
and
before me born, bro. Just like, this nigga been doing it before me born, bro.
snow after. So we're going to need some TV.
Crazy shit, man. Hey, shout out to Vybz KarteL, bro. Say man do things, bro. And bro, I'll say a TikTok, bro, and people are cuss out cartel, bro. If you say the dog nah do nothing or have concerts, and bro. Wish me could have found my TikTok the black. I can start mod the monster, put them in like the videos for YouTube, talk about. Try to big up Vybz KarteL, my doing thing, bro. Like some people just need to like calm, bro, and just stop do so much thing, bro. But listen, post a video, like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, bro. Like, what is under my mouth? Shit, fuck it up. I will lose, alright. What is under my nose? I'm out.